So this is our 72nd question, which is already done here. AC to AF, that ratio we need to find. From A to B, they have given it's 1 centimeter. From B to C also 1 centimeter. So AC becomes 1 plus 1. So it is 2. AF will be the sum of these 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So totally 5 parts are there. So 5 centimeters. Therefore, the ratio is 2:5. What is the doubt in this?
Sir, you didn't uploaded this video in YouTube, sir.
That is because the video went corrupted. So this video was not uploaded.
Sir, can you show that I will take a screenshots?
Of these answers, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
From which question onwards?
sir, I have a doubt of 76th question, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
no
63 questions. Last questions.
63 onwards, huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is our 63rd question. Quickly, you can take
Yes,
a
sir.
screenshot of this.
Next question, sir. Yes, sir.
However, I have kept this for recording. This will be there in the video. You can pause
Yes, sir.
the video and you can take the screenshot. There is no issue.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
do you
Next
send the
question.
notes of these in group, sir?
Yeah.
After completion of chapter?
I'll upload this.
Next question.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, somebody was
Sir.
having doubt on this 67th question.
Sir, next.
Sir, I have doubt of 76th.
76th question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one. Yes, sir. Next question.
Yeah, this is our 76th question. What's the doubt here?
Sir, in a floral design made from tiles, each of dimension 40 centimeter by 60 centimeter, they asked, sir. But you made a whole square 40 centimeter by 60 centimeter, sir. That I confused it, sir.
I considered this floral design as complete design from here to here.
Sir, but they asked made from tiles, each of dimension.
Each of dimensions 40
40
and
centimeter
60.
by.
So let us consider each of this smaller one as 40 and 60.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us resolve this by considering the inside one as the floral diagram. So what I do is I'll copy this question. I'll insert a new slide. Here I am going to consider the question. Is that fine? Is this
Okay,
fine
sir.
now? So let me consider this inside one as the floral diagram.
Good morning, sir.
From here to here, what will be the distance? It will become the length. It is 60 centimeter. From here to here, it will become the 40 centimeters, isn't it? That is what you meant to say.
Yes, sir.
So totally like this, how
Yes,
many
sir.
are there? 1, 2, 3,
Police?
4, 5, 6 are there. So to find the area of this particular thing multiplied by 6 to find the area. Suppose if you want to find the perimeter,
Sir,
this
area is
length should be added.
2400
It is becomes 60. From here to here, it is 120 because 40 plus 40 plus 40, 120. From here to here, this is
This
also
also
120. This one is 120. 60 plus 60, 120. So
Yes, sir.
totally, if you count, the perimeter of this design will become 120 multiplied 4 times. Correct?
480 centimeters, sir. 480
480
centimeters.
centimeters. Okay. Okay, done. This is the floral design. They have asked
Sir,
perimeter of the shaded portion. So this is the perimeter of shaded portion. Perimeter of
Yes,
whole
sir.
design. What is the meaning of whole design?
sir, your voice is
Sir, a whole square, sir.
Whole design means we have to
Whole
consider
design.
complete thing.
Yes, sir.
In that case, what will be the perimeter? This will be 60 again, plus 60. So total from here to here, it
240.
becomes
240, sir.
240.
240.
How about this?
400.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Each of
Yes,
40
sir.
centimeter. So 200.
200.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will be this perimeter? Let me change the color of this.
880, sir.
So
880
it's 2
centimeter.
times of length plus breadth.
Yes, sir.
240 plus
What is the
120.
length here? 240.
240 plus
240 plus 200.
200.
200, sir.
So 2 times of 440. 880.
880.
Yes, sir.
Now the ratio is 480
Sir,
divided by 8.
880. 0 cancel.
6
0,
is
0
to
cancel.
11, sir.
How much?
12 by 20.
8
Sir,
6 times, 8 11 times. 6 is to 11.
Yes, sir.
So we got the answer as 6 is to 11. How do we find area of the shaded portion here? How many are there? 6 are there.
Sir, 120 into 120 is
6 are there.
40 into 60
6
into
times
6.
of 40 into
40
60.
into 60 into 6.
Area of unshaded. Let me change the color.
40
Area of
into
unshaded.
60 into 14, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are there. 14
Yes,
times
sir.
of 40 into 60. So if you find the ratio here, this 40 and 60, they get cancelled. 3 times, 2, 7 times. So we get it as 3 is to 7.
Yes, sir.
Is this the answer? In the previous question when we had solved, I said you to think. Isn't it? I have written here. Isn't it? Think. So one of you has thought about that. This could be the answer. Again, I want you to think about this answer. You have to confirm me whether this is correct or wrong. All right. Let us move on further with 78th question. In the 78th question, a car can travel 240 kilometer in 15 liters of petrol. How much distance will it travel in 25 liters of petrol? Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
can you explain
Paras.
77th also? Sir, 77th question.
77th question. This is
400
77th
kilometers.
question.
Sir, 400 kilometers.
440 kilometers, sir.
400 or 440?
400 kilometers.
Sir, 400 kilometers.
Let us try this. I want you to solve this in a unitary method. For finding in a unitary method, we can find out the distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol. Distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol. What will be this? This will be equal to
Sir, it will be
240 divided by 15 because in 15 liters it is traveling 240.
16.
I think this is exactly divisible 16 times. So we get
Yes,
it
sir.
as 16 kilometers. This is the distance in 1 liter. Now we have to find out the distance traveled in
25
25 liters.
Sir, answer is 400 kilometers. It is 400 kilometers, sir.
Very good, correct. It is not 440, it is 400. 16 times of 25. We get it as
Equals to
400
400.
kilometers. Okay, it's simple. Next question. Bachu Manji earns rupees 24,000 in 8 months. At this rate, how much does he earn in 1 year? How many months does he earn rupees 42,000?
36,000.
First one, 36,000, sir.
First one is
36,000.
Second one,
36,000.
14 months, sir.
Yes. How
Second one,
to
14 months.
calculate here?
14 months, sir. Second one.
Sir, we have to first
You
find
answer correct. Yeah.
first find 14 months, sir.
We have to find first 1 month. Yeah. You have 1 month, sir. 1 month earning. 1 month earning, sir. 36,000.
So I can write his
Sir, first
earnings.
find 1 month, sir.
First one, second one, 14 months, sir. First one,
1 month.
36,000, sir.
3,000 per
Earnings
month,
in
sir.
1 month is
78 question.
3,000 because 24,000 divided by 8.
3,000,
We
sir.
get it as 3,000.
3,000 into
Therefore,
12, sir.
earning in
1
a
year.
year.
12,
Sir,
36,000.
36,000.
12
In a
into
month, in a
3,000.
year, there will be
6,000,
12
sir.
months. So 12 times of 3,000, we get it as
12 into 3,000.
36,000.
36,000.
36,000
14
is
months, sir.
absolutely
How
correct.
many months?
How do we find how many months does he earn? How to find that?
42,000 by 3,000.
Sir,
Earning
3,000 is 1 month, sir.
1 month
42,000 divided by 3,000.
Divided by 3,
is
3,000, sir.
3,000 rupees.
Then we will get.
Therefore,
14
Divide, sir.
months. Sir, we have to
number of
divide
months will be equal to
3,000 and 3,000.
42,000 divided by 3,000.
Yes, sir.
0 cancel
Correct.
and it is
14
14
months.
times.
14 months.
14 months.
14 months.
He
14 months,
earns
sir.
42,000. Question
Sir,
number 18.
sir.
The yield of wheat from 8 hectares of land is 360 quintals. Find the number of hectares of land required for yield of 540 quintals. Here if you
12
want to
hectares,
find,
sir.
how do we
12
find?
hectares.
12 hectares, sir.
For 1 quintal of wheat, how many hectares?
12, sir.
That we can find by
Sir,
using
45, sir.
unitary method.
Sir, 45 quintals, sir. For 1 hectare, 45 quintals.
For 1 hectare, 45 quintal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I can do in a reverse way. Here they have given 360 quintals for 8 hectares. So I can find out land required for yield of yield of 1 quintal of wheat. This will be 8 divided by 360 hectares. So this can be simplified. This is 4 times is 32, 5
1 by
times.
45,
So
sir.
1 by 45 hectares.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, land required for yield of 540 quintal of wheat will be equal to 1 by 45 times of 540. This also can be simplified. 9 5 times 9
9, 5, 60, sir.
6 are so 60 5 12 times. So we get it as 12 hectares.
12 hectares.
12 hectares.
So it's simple.
Sir, 12 hectares means how many acres, sir?
No, I didn't get your question. What is your question?
Sir, how many hectares is equal to 1 acre, sir?
You should know that 10,000 meter square area will be equal to 1 hectare. If you want to convert this hectares in terms of meter square, it has to be multiplied with 10,000. So 80,000 meter square area, 360 quintal. Understood? Since the question is given in
Yes, sir.
terms of hectares, I am getting the answer in terms of hectares. Clear?
And the 77th one.
Question
Sir, how
81.
many
How many?
acres
Hmm.
form hectares, sir?
How many meter square form hectare? 10,000 meter square will form 1 hectare.
Sir, we cannot express it in terms as acres, sir.
We can express if you know the conversion. Do you know the conversion?
No, sir.
It is approximately 2.47 approximately. This conversion
Okay,
we are
sir.
not asking. If at all, if you want to know for extra information, you can note down 1 hectare is equal to around 2.47 acres.
Okay, sir.
If you want in terms of meter square, 1 hectare is 10,000 meter square. This is the conversion. They are not asking you to convert anything here, yeah. Clear?
Okay, sir. Just I asked for information, sir.
Okay, sir. Question 81.
30 degrees.
Rotates 360
30
degree
sir.
about its axis
Sir,
Answer is
in
30
about
degree.
24 hours.
sir.
30 degrees,
30
sir?
degree.
How?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 30 degree.
How do you
Take
get 30
1 hour.
degrees?
Sir, Earth rotates for 4 minutes 1 degree, sir. Then for 2 hours it will rotate 30 degrees, sir.
So we can find out the number of rotation in for 1 hour. How much degree we can find out?
15 degree.
Isn't it? 15 degree we get.
15
So for 2 hours it will be 30 degrees. It's correct.
30 degrees, sir.
Because they have given that a rotation of Earth
Why?
Nikhil, somebody is talking at your end.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, you can mute and talk. There's no issue. Rotation of Earth in 1 hour will be 360 divided by 24. You should know that it's a multiple. 15 times 15 degree.
Sir, one's are
Therefore,
15, sir.
rotation of Earth in 2 hours
15
will be
sir.
2 times 15 degree.
30,
You get it as 30 degrees.
30 degrees, sir.
Such a simple question. Question number 82.
Shivangi is suffering for
Shivangi is
Sir, I have doubt,
suffering
sir.
from anemia as hemoglobin level in her blood is lower than the normal range. The doctor advised her to take 1 iron tablet 2 times a day. If the cost of 10 tablets is rupees 17, what will be the medical bill for 15 days? It's again very simple. She is consuming 2 tablets.
42 rupees.
So 2 times of 15 tablets, totally
Sir,
50
51
tablets
rupees, sir.
in 15 days. So we get it as 51 rupees.
Yes, sir. 51 rupees.
51 rupees is exactly correct. Because they have given cost of 10 tablets. The cost of 10 tablets is rupees 17. So what will be the cost of 1 tablet?
1.7 rupees, sir.
1.7, sir.
It is
1.7 rupees.
51, sir.
So totally how many
Sir,
tablets she is
7
consuming?
rupees. Sir, 15 days.
30 tablets she is consuming because 15 days, 2
Yes,
tablets
sir.
in a
Yes,
day.
sir.
Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
cost
2
of 30
tablets
tablets
for
will be
30,
17
sir.
by 10 into 30.
Into 30, sir.
We
1
get it
is
as
17, 3 is
rupees 71.
51.
51 rupees, sir.
Rupees 51, yes.
Sir,
Question
51
number
rupees, sir.
83. The
Sir, this is right in the
fee,
note.
quarterly school fee in Kendriya Vidyalaya for class 6th is rupees 540. What will be the fees for 7 months? It's a very easy question. Per month we can calculate. Then for 7 months we can calculate easily. So if I want to directly write fee for 7 months, this will be equal to
3,780, sir.
5 for, what is the meaning of
1,260,
quarterly?
sir.
Quarterly means 3
Yes,
months.
sir. 3 months. Yes, sir.
So it is done like this. 3 divides 540, 180 times. So 180 into 7. If you do that, 80 into 7
1,260,
times
sir.
is 126. So 1260.
260, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only few questions are left. Let's complete that. 84th question. In an
This
election,
is right in the book.
is that your doubt, Bharti?
Sir, this is right in the notebook.
Bharti, I have sent PDF of all the questions. You can solve them. If any difficulty is there, you can refer to the video and once again you can solve that. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Writing in the notebook is left to you. Since this is not from the textbook, it is from exemplar, I am giving an option. लिखेंगे तो
Okay,
अच्छा है. It is good for you if you write. You can think over that. In an election, the votes cast for 2 of the candidates were in the ratio 5:7. If the successful candidate received 20,734 votes, how many votes did his opponent receive? Again, this is question related to, I had said, angles. If they are giving the ratio, we can consider in terms of x. So here we can consider in terms of 5x and 7x as the number of votes. According to the question, successful candidate receives 20,734. So among this, which one is successful?
7x, sir.
Successful
7x,
7x.
sir. 7x. 7x.
So
7x,
7x
sir.
is equal to
7x, sir.
20,734.
Successful
So
candidate, sir.
x value is 20,734 divided by 7.
7.
We can simplify 7 2 times is 14. Again 7 9 times is 63. 4 remains 43. 6 are 2 are.
62.
Okay. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
the number of
Anyway,
votes
sir.
for his opponent
5 into
14,810, sir.
62, sir.
is 5x.
Yes, sir.
So 5 times of 2,962.
14,810, sir.
14,810.
14,810, sir.
14,810. Very simple.
Correct month.
Question number 85. A metal pipe 3 meter long was found to weigh 7.6 kg. What would be the weight of same kind of 7.8 meter long pipe? It's clearly unitary method. How do we find? What is the weight of 1 meter? Weight of 1 meter long pipe. What will be its weight? It's 7.6 divided by 3, no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
7.6 divided by 3.
Let us
Into
not cancel
7.2,
this.
sir.
Let me not cancel that. At the end, I will simplify. Therefore, weight of 7.8 meter long pipe. So 7.6 by 3, I'll multiply with 7.8. This is divisible.
Sir.
If you see here,
2.6
2.6 times.
2.6,
Yes, sir.
That is why I did not
2.6,
cancel
sir.
here.
19.76, sir.
If you multiply, we get 19.76 and it is
0.76
there in
kg,
terms
sir.
of kg. Okay, only four questions are left. Question 86. A recipe of raspberry jelly calls for 5 cups of raspberry juice and 2.5 cups of sugar. Find the amount of sugar needed for 6 cups of juice. Yes, how do we find it? For 1 cup, how much?
Sir,
That
find
we will
1 cup,
find.
sir.
That we can find, isn't it? The requirement of sugar for 1 cup of
5 by 2 by 5.
raspberry
3 cups, sir.
3 cups.
juice. What is this 2.5? If I express in improper fraction,
Answer is 3 cups, sir.
5 by 2.
2 cups of sugar, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is 5 by 2 divided by 5.
Cross multiply.
Yes, sir.
So 5 by 2 into reciprocal 1 by 5.
1 by 2.
Sir, 1 by
we
2,
get.
sir.
Very good,
1
sir.
by 2.
Sir,
1 by
half,
2
sir.
cups.
Half cup, sir.
Half
Half-
cup we get.
Yes. Half cup, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
for 6 cups,
We can write here cups, sir, not cups.
1 by 2
cups
into
only.
6, sir.
For 6 cups of juice,
1 by 2
1
into
by
6.
sugar required
3 cups. 1 by 2 into
3
6
cups.
cups.
3.
3
Sir,
cups.
3
Very
cups.
good. 6 times of half, it will be 3 cups.
3 cups, sir.
3
Such
cups.
a simple question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 87. A farmer planted 1,890 tomato plants in a field in rows, each having 63 plants. A certain type of worm destroyed 18 plants in each row. How many plants did the worm destroy in whole field? You should know, whenever we arrange the things, if you want to arrange the things in rows and column, suppose if I consider these as the rows and these as the column. How many rows are there? There are 3 rows. How many columns are there? 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. 5 columns.
5.
If you multiply this, no, 3 times of 5, you get the total. This is the total.
So 540 is the answer.
It is something like this.
Sir,
They have
1,350.
given a row,
Sir,
63 plants are there.
Sir, 30 rows, sir.
540, sir, answer.
30 rows, correct. So how do we solve
Sir,
here?
answer is 5, sir.
Total plants will be the number of rows multiplied by the number of plants in each row.
Sir, answer is 540.
It is something like this. 1890 is equal to number of rows
Sir,
into
answer
63.
is 540, sir. Worm destroyed 540 plants, sir.
Okay, sir. Correct, sir. Here the number of rows will become 1890 divided by 63. It is exactly divisible. We get 30.
30 rows, sir.
Therefore,
Sir, now
number of plants destroyed
30 into 18, sir.
Yes, sir.
13
540
equals to 500.
540, sir.
Sir,
540.
540, sir.
18 into 30,
540 plants.
540.
540
plants
plants.
destroyed, sir.
Very good, very good. Question 88. Just observe the question. Length and breadth of the floor are 5 meter and 3 meter respectively. 40 tiles, each with area 1 by 16 meter square, are used to cover the floor partially. Find the ratio of the tiled and non-tiled portion of the floor. What is the area of the floor here? If they give dimension, we can find the area.
15
What
meters,
is the
sir.
area? 15.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
15 meter, 15 meter.
15
So
meters
here
square.
the total area
15 me-
of the floor
15 meters square, sir.
15 meters square, sir.
5 meter into 3 meter, 15 meter square.
15 meter
Correct.
square, sir.
How much area is tiled now? Area covered with the tiles. How much?
Sir,
40
1
tiles.
by 16, sir. 1 by 16 meter square.
5 meters square.
1 by
Area
16.
covered with the tiles. How much?
2.5 meters square, sir.
Did they
1
give
by
that?
16 into 40.
40
Sir, 1
tiles.
by 16
Each
into
of
40. Yes, sir.
So 40
Sir,
should
5 by 2,
be
sir. 5 by 2.
multiplied with 1 by 16.
5 by
So
2,
we
Yes,
get
sir.
5 by 2 meter square
5
area.
by 2 meters, sir.
Meter square, sir.
Therefore, non-tiled area, we can find non-tiled
Yes, sir.
area.
12.5 meters square, sir.
Yes, sir.
15 say 5 by 2 we need to subtract.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10.5 meters square.
LCM is 2. So it becomes 30 minus 5 by 2. So 25 by 2
Sir, 25
square
by 2,
meters. Therefore, the required ratio is 5 by 2 divided by 25 by 2.
1:5, sir.
Yes, sir. 1:5. Because this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 times 25. So 1:5. Such a simple question. Now the last question of the exercise, 89th question. A carpenter had a board which measured 3 meter into 2 meter. She cut out rectangular piece of 250 centimeter by 90 centimeter. What is the ratio of the area cut out and the remaining area? Find the total area first. Then we can find out area which is cut off and the remaining. It's simple. So 3 steps.
We should convert it into centimeters, sir.
हाँ सही है. We'll convert that in centimeter. Yes, how do we do that?
Sir, it will be 300 into 200. Sir, it will be 300 into 200.
Area of the board.
300 into 200.
Sir,
300 rectangular piece.
300
Sir, 6 meters, sir.
We can multiply each one by 100 now. What do we get? What do we get?
60,000, sir.
Followed by
60,000,
4 zeros.
60,000, sir.
60,000
Centimeter
Yes,
square.
centimeter square.
83 question.
Sir, area of rectangular piece. 2,500 centimeters square, sir.
2,500 centimeters square, sir.
250 centimeter into
22,500.
90 centimeters, sir.
20.
multiply करो
22,500
9 times
centimeters square, sir.
15 is to 900, sir. 15 is
What
to
is the
9.
remaining area?
60,000 minus 37,500 centimeters square, sir.
60,000 minus 22,500.
37,500 centimeters square.
500 centimeters square.
So now we can find out the ratio, no?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 37500. These 0 zeros
Two
get
zeros
cancelled.
cancelled, sir.
Divide करो.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it will be cancelled by 25. 75 we can simplify it directly 75 so 75.
9 is to
3 is to 5.
75 sir.
You simplify
3 is
and
to
then you
5.
get 3 is to 5.
Yes, sir. 25 15 sir.
So with this, all the questions are solved. Is there any doubt?
Sir, 77 question.
No, sir.
No sir, no any doubt.
Sir.
All the questions in our notebooks.
Yes, Nitin has a doubt. Yes, Nitin.
97 questions, sir.
Aryan, what is the doubt?
That you will solve a is to b is equal to 5 is to 4 and b is equal to 7. What is a is to b is to c, sir?
Yes, that day one of your friend had asked A is to B is equal to
Yes, sir.
1 is to 4.
5 is to 4.
Okay,
5
5 is
is
to
to 4,
4.
sir.
C is to D is equal to
No, sir.
B
B
is
is
to
to
D.
c is equal to 7 is to 3, sir.
B is to C is equal to 7 is
Yes,
to
sir. 7 is to 3.
3.
3.
What
is a is to b is to c, sir?
Sir, I know,
is
sir.
A is
I
to B
can
is to
say,
C?
sir.
Yes, sir. Someone asked that day with first.
No sir.
Yes, sir. How to solve this? One of your friend had tried.
Sir, I tell sir how to solve it, sir.
Yes, sir.
15, 28, 9 sir.
Sir, we can make a ulta n, sir, by multiplying a into b into c and b into c, sir.
28 sir.
I didn't
Sir,
get
it
you.
is 35 ratio 28 ratio 12, sir.
12 sir.
Sir,
Why do you have
it
to
is
do
like
like
this.
that?
We multiply first a into b, then b into b, then b into c, sir. Sir, can I tell, sir, how to do?
Yes, sir. You can tell.
Sir, it answer is 35 ratio 28 ratio 12. Sir,
Yes, sir.
we have to first multiply a into b, like 5 into 7, then b into b, then equal to 7 into 4, and b into c equal to 4 into 3, sir. Then it will answer will come, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we should
Is there any other method?
Can I say sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here in 2 ratio, the common letter is B, sir. So we have to multiply that 4 into 7, sir. 4 into 7, sir. Then the answer will come 28, sir. So 4x is equal to 28. What is about 5x? Then A is equal to 35, sir. And C is equal to 15, sir.
Suppose if I write like this, A is to B is proportional to C, B is to C. If I write like this, if they are in proportion, then we
C is equal to 24.
can we solve like this? No.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I consider in terms of x, then A I'll take it as 5x, B I will take it as 4x.
Yes, sir. Now it will come, sir.
Then if I consider C, C will be 3x.
Sir, B will be 4x and 7x, sir.
B, if you consider it here, it will become 7x. Here it will become 4x. No.
3x, sir.
Yes, sir. So we have to multiply 4 into 7.
Sir, A is to B, down B is to C, sir. This is formula.
Suppose if I consider x for this and some other letter